Okay, so hello, my name is Sophie Ringgenburger. I'm honored to present you my project, The New Perspective, a Confrontation with the Oriental Carpet. The project stands for the processing of 3 carpets that were chosen for its uniqueness in origin, size, and condition. Oriental carpets, hand-woven fabrics, and innovative materials are combined. The aim of the project is to increase the value of material as well as the aesthetic value of pre-owned carpets and to open up new perspectives and views on carpet design by reworking them. The connection as well as the interaction of old and new, flat and three-dimensional, of an archaic with a bright color world are essential for the design process. Upgrading, sustainability, and appreciation are important for me as a textile designer. How can the combination of old Oriental carpets and modern design create a textile unity on the floor? With the help of collages, these clashes are explored and successively transformed into designs. Working with paper and within responding to the language of form, color, and the connection between 2 worlds was explored with different techniques. Various material experiments and combinations are explored in initial samples. The combination of new fabrics with various textile techniques and old carpet leads to the essence of the project. In the weave, the resulting fabrics initially lean toward the look of flat woven kilims. In the individual samples and later implementations, the woven fabrics are combined and connected primarily with knotted carpet qualities. Haptic, material, form language, and refinement find an aesthetic connection. So in this case, you can see the different process in the workshops. The example were first examined visually as well as haptically. Responding to these elements is critical to the design process. Working with the most heavily aged points of the carpet, such as holes, faded areas, or the pile, inspired various textile techniques. The design process is just an idea. The actual work in this project is to react on every carpet in its own way. There are no tryouts and samples with that exact material possible. So every step, if it's a dye bath, cutting of the material or a screen print, a respect for the material and to respond with the individual steps with craftsmanship is the most unique characteristic of the project. So in the following slides, I go into more detail about the resulting carpets, explaining textile techniques and procedures involved. The embroidery with climbing ropes strengthens the structure of the carpet. The dyeing and dip dye process and the use of the reservation technique give the carpet a new impression and a modern design language which stands in contrast to the opulent Oriental pattern. The work on the fringe plays an essential part in the design. Through dip dye both ends of the carpet and removing the knots afterwards, a supple dyeing pattern appears. Strong colors meet an archaic look. The technique of screen printing is applied to the short pile. The check pattern reflects a second layer that plays in competition with the Oriental pattern and creates an exciting tactile connection. Various embroidery techniques accentuate the opulent patterns of the carpet in a reduced manner. Joining with a new wool weave combines the traditional technique of carpet knotting with the flat weave. Using thick black yarns, a new weave is created that responds to the woolen carpet and takes on elements of the pattern and age design with a silk weft. The oversized fringe reflects a new form and a kind of freedom in carpet design. Each carpet tells its own story through its condition, ornamentation, and coloration. Let's continue the stories and respond to them in a modern way. Thank you.